everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So in this particular video, I'll be sharing a secret with you all for you to study consistently, for you to enhance your quality of education. And this particular technique is using the concept of Pomodoro technique. Yes, Pomodoro technique is of utmost importance, and if you utilize this technique in your preparation time, for sure you'll be able to see the enhancement in the quality of your preparation. So now, first of all, what is Pomodoro technique all about? See, this technique simply says that what you have to do during your preparation time is it helps you to increase your concentration and focus, along with giving your brain equal set of relaxation and equal sets of breaks as well. How do we have to implement this particular technique in our preparation is, see, if let's say for example you have to study for 2 hours for a complete stretch. Now if you look at in the normal conditions, the moment we start off with our preparation, we have a different set of energy, but as and when we reach the end of 2 hours, our energy completely diminishes. So it affects our quality of education. Now what you have to do is, for implementing this Pomodoro technique, study for 25 minutes, take a break of 5 minutes, and then do the same thing for the other 3 sets. What you have to do, you have to continuously study for 25 minutes, take a break of 5 minutes or 4 minutes depending upon whatever your capacity is, and then start off with the preparation all and over again. In this break time, what you can do is you can just go out of your study room, take a walk, come back again and start studying. For sure it would help you out. Even I have implemented the same thing during the days when I was not feeling that energetic to study. So what I used to do, I used to implement this Pomodoro technique. In addition, what you can do is you can keep a timer check. You can, when you start studying, turn on the timer, and then for 25 minutes on a stretch, keep studying. For the next 5 minutes, take a break, go out for a walk, munch a chocolate, whatever you feel like, and then start studying again. For sure, you will be able to see the enhancement in your preparation, the enhancement in the quality of studies you do, and that too in less amount of time. Because see, during preparation of any competitive exam, what is most important is how do we manage our time. And this Pomodoro technique luckily is very effective for studying. It is very effective for us to enhance our preparation, for us to enhance the quality by which we utilize our time. So try to implement this Pomodoro technique and let me know in the comment sections if you have implemented it ever before and how did it help you out. So I just wanted to share with you all about this very important and very interesting technique that you could use in your preparation time to enhance your preparation, to enhance the effectiveness of your studies. So thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider. I'm trying my level best to provide you with the best quality content on Botany Insider. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to download our application from the iOS and the Android, and get to have our courses for you to strengthen your preparation to next level. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck.